Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be getting into an upcoming pair of Jordan 1s. This is the Jordan 1 Latte, rumored to drop May 2024 in some EU locations. I believe it has already been loaded for the end of April, so we're going to start seeing, typical locations like EU and Asia usually will get stuff before the US, so that's why that is. But we're going to get into the rest of everything right here. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's try and hit 200 likes on this video. If you guys just want more early pair content, just kind of diving in to sneakers like this one right here. I've done a lot of recent SB releases. Some I think I've done some like Jordan 4, maybe other stuff like that. Just you can check it out on the channel. But yeah, let's try and do that. And do not forget, you can also check out on my Instagram down below. It's the one thing I've mentioned in a lot of recent videos, my Jordan 4 military blue giveaway. Just go to my recent reels, the pinned one right there, and you guys can enter up for that. So don't miss out on your chance to potentially win a free pair. So that's all I really need to say right there. I hope you guys will enjoy this review. And why don't we get into discussing the Jordan 1 Latte, drop in May 2024. That is the rumored date. So first things first about this sneaker right here. One of the main things I want to get into is going to be obviously the colorway that we got in this sneaker. I really only need to hold one of them to discuss that. So as you guys can see, we got kind of this, they're calling it a latte colorway. We got kind of this light brown. It's not really a mocha colorway, right? Because that's kind of darker, but this is just kind of a lighter colorway that we got going on there. It's a suede material that they got going all around the sneaker. I will show you all that. So there you go. All suede and all that light brown colorway. And then again, another normal Jordan 1 leather, same as they usually use on the lows that are in the same style. So normal Jordan 1 leather, nothing out of the ordinary there. This is just a size 11W. Keep in mind that this sneaker is going to be in women's sizes. I'm not sure if they're going to extend the size range, but this is an 11W right here. So just my personal size, you can convert it over. It'd be a 9.5 men's. So that's what I got right here. This is 11W. But aside from that, some other details we got. I'll show you all the sole on these. Again, that same kind of light brown colorway, matching again what we got going on by the heel and also kind of up by the ankle section around here. It's mainly just kind of by the heel and ankle. There, it's not really going around the toe box. The only part it's really going around the toe box is because again that's on the sole. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's really what we got going on with these. Another detail I can show you guys right off the bat. Let me tuck that in real quick. We got this insole right here. I want to make sure I have my flash on for this so we aren't missing this part, because this is actually a really cool part on the sneaker. Not actually visible, because obviously people aren't going to be looking at the inside of your sneakers, but you can kind of see what we got going on. A lot different, but we got that Nike Air symbol, and then also you can kind of see like that mocha, or not mocha, but the kind of that latte colorway on the insole, because they're choosing to go with that because that's the name of the sneaker, and that's the overall theme for it. So I thought that was cool, kind of going off the name, something a little bit different right there. So shout out to Nike on that. Good move in my opinion. So aside from that, another thing I can get into is just the Nike Air tag on these. Just we got that black font right there, and then we got black laces with them. They'll most likely come with some extra laces, probably in the same colorway as what we got going on by the heel and ankle here, but I could be wrong on that. But if not, you could just rock them with the OG black laces. That's what I'm going to do. I think it's a good colorway to go with, so I might be towing these. I kind of have to decide. If anybody's interested in the pair, hit me up, because these are unworn 11W, so anybody interested, just hit me up on my IG. But aside from that, you can also see we got the typical Air Jordan logo. That's the kind of classic one they've gone with on a lot of Jordan 1s right there. Sometimes we'll switch it up, but that is what we got going on for this colorway. And then again, that is that white color blocking that they're using right here by the toe box and also by the center portion of the sneaker. So aside from that, all right there, that is what I can mention really quickly about the Jordan 1 Latte on the way soon. Some other details I'll show you all back by the heel. Hopefully y'all can see that. And yeah, overall just a pretty clean sneaker. I know people aren't really going too crazy over Jordan 1s right now, especially in 2024, but I thought it was still a cool colorway to definitely pick up and show you guys, because they're still great sneakers for the personal collection. I don't think anybody's denying that. You can go pick up a pair of ones and it is a reliable, good pair of shoes for your collection. So that's what I thought about these. I was like, yeah, people are really going to like these for their collection. So I think it'll be a popular shoe. I'm pretty sure Nike will make a lot of them. Just go think about, the Jordan 1 Palomino that they made not too long ago. Those were selling pretty hot. Those actually resell a little bit. So I'm sure these will, have a little bit of a market behind them. So that's what I will mention, right off the bat about the Jordan 1 Latte. Again, the rumored date, I believe, is May 27th, but keep in mind that's very close to the Jordan 4 military blue release, so I wouldn't be shocked if these get pushed back a little bit to like the start of July, or maybe a little bit earlier into May, because again, you already got some EU locations loading these up. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this colorway. Overall, not a bad one. Just kind of wanted to give you all an in-hand review of them, so y'all can kind of see what they look like, because they're coming soon. And yeah, that's the lattes. There isn't really like any other like crazy parts other than like here's like the inside of like, you know, the tongue tag. Very, very typical and normal for them to do this on Jordan 1. So like there's nothing out of the ordinary. It's the same tongue tag material, leather, all that. So I guess one thing I can get into doing in this video is showing you guys a little bit of up close footage, maybe what these look like, you know, in some better lighting. So why don't we get into that? I'll do some, you know, quick B-roll for these, and then we'll, you know, just kind of close out the video right here. It'll be a quick and short one. So why don't we get into doing some B-roll for the Jordan 1 Latte, dropping May 2024.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow, or it can crash. And water, my friend.
But yeah, that is pretty much everything I need to say, guys, about what we got for the upcoming Jordan 1 Latte. Let me know your thoughts on the sneaker. Again, I think it's a really clean colorway for, again, the personal collection. I don't think there's going to be a lot of resale behind these, because you can go look at a lot of women's Jordan 1s recently. They have not been great flips. Jordan 1s in general, like most are under retail that have been, you know, recent releases. So I would avoid, you know, looking for these, you know, flip them. That's just, you know, my personal thoughts, but it's still a great colorway to pick up for the collection. So that's one of the main things I will mention about the Latte 1. So let me know if you're going to be going for these. Are you passing them up? Let me know your thoughts on that. And don't forget, you can check out my Instagram down below if you want to enter for that military blue giveaway. It's just right there, the pinned reel. Very, very simple instructions. And you guys, I think I don't know if I said this in the outro, but you guys can subscribe and like for more videos just like this one. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say. Again, let me know your thoughts on this shoe right here. I might end up towing these. I have to think about it. Keep in mind, it's women's sizes, so this is an 11W. They might only do it up to 12W. We have to see. I'm not sure if Nike's going to be, you know, too big and wanted to extend the sizes for these, but we will see. So that's it. Let me know your thoughts on this colorway coming soon. And that's what I can mention about them. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. And hopefully I will catch you on the next one coming soon. See you all in the comments or the next video. Should be tomorrow. Peace.